With Sooqr, you're able to easily pick the fields you want to use for search. For this, go to Site Search, Advanced, Search Fields. Sooqr uses search fields to match the user's query to one or more results in the data feed. By default, we match on the title and description. To add a new search field, first choose a data field from the drop-down menu and then hit the Add button. Boosting enables you to rank documents higher based on the field the query matches on. For example, you are boosting the description field higher than the title field. In this case, when a query contains part of the description, matching products will score higher than documents that contain part of the query in the title field. Press Save when you are done setting your search fields. Start optimizing your results today by using and boosting the correct search fields.